If you still did not subscribe our channel, then please click on the red color subscribe button and click on the bell also, so that you can get notification of our upcoming videos and updates.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Agrim IT Education. So in our last video we discussed about HP Primera storage. So this is basically a next generation of HP 3 and this is the part 2 video, and here we will discuss about Alletra storage, which HP launched very recently, last year only. So what is Primera storage? Alletra storage. So Alletra storage basically came for as a service project, and it has a feature you can access your Alletra box anywhere from, not only in data center, even you can access from anywhere. You will get a, cloud portal, and from cloud portal you can access your storage box. So even you can install any of the application, you will get a very good performance. So Alletra storage came with two model, 9000 series and 6000 series. So what are the benefits in 9000 series? It's a tier 0 storage. It will give a more high performance. Even Primera was also tier 0 storage. What is the major difference? In Alletra storage, you will get all NVMe drives. And even if we discussed our last video that Primera storage having only 8 drive per node pair, so it's depend on model. So you have a converged disk option in Primera storage, in where in Alletra storage you have all NVMe, so you'll get more performance and more bandwidth here. So in Alletra storage you will get more better performance in NVMe front end connectivity. Okay, and it can upgrade till 8 node. Even in Primera storage, in our last video we can see that we have option upgrade up to 4 node. Even in Alletra you can upgrade till 8 node. Okay, remaining all features are same. It also having a non-destructive hardware upgrade option. So what is the migration option from HP 3 you have both are HP products, so you have a pair motion option. Via pair online import and online pair motion, you can directly upgrade from your HP 3 to Alletra, or HP 3 to Primera, or Primera to Alletra. Even we can set up a replication. It has the same RCIP as replication over fabric or replication over Ethernet. So we can set up a replication from Alletra to Primera, Alletra to 3 So this is the model. Basically in 9000 series we have a two model, 9060 and 9080. 9060 having 4 node and 48 NVMe drive enclosure. It has it can consume a 4U rack space. Even both the models. What is the major difference? Major difference is your CPU memory. Alletra 9080 model, you will get a more CPU and memory. In 960 you have a 10 core CPU, and even Alletra 980 you will get a double 20 core and capacity also. So this is the major this is the specification of 960 and 980. Okay, so this is the controller chassis. You can see front end and rear view. It has a 48 NVMe drives, 24 drives per node pair. This is the 4 node chassis. You can see. So this is the back end of controller. So what are the ports available? You can see here. So first PCI slot, you can see the HPA ports are available. HPA ports, we have option 32 GB or 16 GB ports. Second, we have 3 HBA PCI slot where we can install either HBA ports or iSCSI, that is a 10 gig or 25 gig. Other than that, we have a management port. In management port, Alletra storage having option 10, 100 gig, 10 gig and 1 gig port available. It support till 1 gig. And we have additionally console port, that is a serial port where we can connect your laptop. And other than that, how we can connect the enclosure here, we don't have a SAS port. Here we have NVMe over fabric port. Let me show you in Paint. 1 second. Okay. So these 2 ports, if you can see, these ports you can connect from disk enclosure. So it is similar disk enclosure like HP3 PAR or Primera. So what is the difference? Difference is here you do not have SAS port here. Here you have NVMe ports available. So these port should be connect with this NVMe port, which are available in controller. So what is the speed of this NVMe port? That is 100 gig over Ethernet, 100 GB. If you see my last Primera video, we have in Primera and 3PAR, we have a SAS port, that is a 12 gig SAS port. Here we have a 100 gig NVMe port. So we'll get more better performance and bandwidth. Okay, other than that, we have RCIP port, that is for replication, dedicatedly for replication. Okay, and what other difference in Alletra storage and Primera storage is? Here it won't support the file persona. It is only block storage. So here we have only this RCIP port. We doesn't have the file persona port. Okay, so this is the rear view of Alletra storage. And other than that, we have power supply and these LED, which will indicate the alerts and everything. So capacity option, if we want to upgrade the capacity, how we can upgrade? We have 48 port, 48 drive enclosure, which will give you the 737 TB raw capacity. And this is 2 node, and we can upgrade. If we can upgrade a 4 node, it will give you 2.2 PB raw capacity. If you upgrade 4 node controller, it will give you 240 NVMe SSD total drives and 3.7 PB raw capacity. And remember, it's a raw capacity. If we talk about effective capacity is depend on your data reduction and your deduplication and compression. So Alletra storage by default, if we have a mixed kind of environment, it will give maximum 3:1 for data reduction. So maximum capacity, effective capacity, you can include, you can calculate it. It will be multiplied by 3. Okay, so this is the capacity. We talk about performance. Uh, it can be handled 2.1 million IOPS. 2.1 million IOPS. If we talk about latency, it's less than 2.5 ms latency. It can be handled any of the mission critical applications. Okay, so 3-PAR, Primera, and Alletra. If we compare in Alletra storage, you will get more performance than Primera and 3-PAR. Second feature is anywhere manageability. You can manage from anywhere. If you see in 3-PAR, you for management, you have 3-PAR management console. You can't access controller directly. You have 3-PAR management console, option 1. Option 2 is putty. You can connect a CLI. Option 3, you can connect through SSMC. In Primera, HP Primera storage, there is no option for a management console. You can directly access your controller node on web interface. You can put your controller IP on your browser and you can directly access Primera UI page. And second option is 3-PAR, this SSMC option. From SSMC, you can connect Primera storage. And third option, same CLI option. In Alletra storage, there is no concept of SSMC. You have to connect your web directly. You can put your URL on web browser and you can get a Alletra UI page. That is a graphical user interface. Same way you can connect a CLI through putty. And other option is you can manage your storage through Common Cloud Portal, HP Common Cloud Portal. You will get a customer ID. Through that customer ID, you can manage from anywhere, even on your mobile app also you can manage your storage. So it's easy to manage. You can manage from anywhere. That is one advantage of Alletra storage. So you can manage from either cloud console or UI. So other than that, all other options are same, even commands, everything's are same. Remote replication, every option similar like 3-PAR. So it's a upgraded generation of your Primera and HP 3-PAR storage. It has a 9.0 operating system. It's the same 3-PAR operating system generation. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you enjoy this video, then please like and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.